Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a little bit of cooking. I was thinking the other day of those chocolate crackles that you would have at a party when you were little, and it made me really feel like one for some reason. So I thought I would make a mix between a chocolate crackle and a chocolate LCM bar, put it all together into sort of like a slice. But I decided instead of using the unhealthy ingredients, I would use a healthier alternative to what the original recipe would contain. So even though it does contain sugar, it's a cleaner alternative to what your regular white sugar from the shops would be. So here are the ingredients to this chocolate crackle chocolate LCM slice. So the ingredients you'll need are some puffed rice, some coconut, rice malt syrup, coconut oil, chia seeds, raw cacao, dark chocolate, and Himalayan pink salt. Now for a taste test. Spot on. That's really addictive, oh my god. So it's kind of like sweet, chocolatey, and the salt as well is really good. Has that little saltiness, sweet and salty. And it tastes like a chocolate crackle, that's amazing. Highly recommend. You'll definitely all have to make this because this is a game changer. Even if you do have kids, I don't reckon they'll be able to tell the difference. That was so good. Thanks everyone for tuning into this YouTube video. I hope you all liked it, and I really hope that you make this recipe because it is so yum. If you do, let me know and tell me what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!